Hey guys, we are going to be talking today about our brand new website, discountpropertyinvestor.com. And if you haven't checked out this website, we highly encourage you to go check it out.
Man, I'll tell you what, our websites were a mess.
They were. They were a mess.
We grew, and as we grew, I think like a lot of people, we were like, okay, we need a website for this. So we had Discount Property Investor, and we were selling our houses on that. Then we said, hey, let's do the Discount Property Investor podcast. So we had another website for that, right? And then we said, hey, let's build some courses. And we had a university, so we had another course for that. And then we had, what else did we do? Man, we've got so many things going on.
Yeah, so really the goal here was, and really discountpropertyinvestor.com used to be our disposition site. Mm-hmm. It wasn't even hosting our podcast or any of the free courses or tools or any of that stuff, right? It was all spread out on different things. So what we have done is we have rebuilt discountpropertyinvestor.com. And it's a work in progress. I'm going to be honest. We're still going to be adding to it and building to it. But one of the things I really like about this site, guys, is it's free to sign up. And once you sign up, it is its own membership portal. So what that means is there's a community in here. And you can actually direct message other individuals that are in the community. There are courses, and let's look in here and actually see what the courses that we have in here. I believe there's like 6 or 7 of them. These courses are free, by the way. I'm in the process of moving over free wholesale course and free landlord course, and I would imagine by the time this episode publishes, those URLs will just forward over to discountpropertyinvestor.com, / that new URL. But again, here the goal is to centralize all of the products and courses and trainings that Mike and I have put out there for everybody.
And the real reason is we had so many different things, and we had so much stuff out there. We didn't even know where to tell people to go.
Right.
Like we were like, well, we got this free course here, and we've got this podcast here, and we tried to link everything together, and it was working. But Dave took a step back at it. Took a step back and looked at it and said, "This isn't good. This isn't the right way to do it."
Yeah, it was just kind of all over the place.
So put everything under the correct umbrella, which is Discount Property Investor. We've done that as the podcast name for so long. We've used that for selling houses for so long. We said, let's just figure out a way to get it all under the same umbrella. Let's spend some time. Let's spend some money putting together something that's actually user friendly. And has everything that people want to see up front. So that's what we've done. This is, again, I can't believe we do everything we do for free. And again, I've said it before, Dave, it's not the best business model. But
that's right.
Hey, everything's out there for free, though.
It is.
So it's like, why are you going to try to sell somebody something that they can find for free?
Right.
Like if you truly want to provide value, and that is, I think, one of our goals, you have to just give. And that's kind of what we do on this site. There's so much free content that you can access when you have time, because we know a lot of people are listening to the podcast in the car or while they're working out, and it's not easy to look at. You can't sit down and really dig in. So this course this website is a great place that we've centralized everything, so much easier to find it. And there's just so much free stuff on there that...
And again, it's a work in progress. We're going to be adding to this as we go. So what do we already have up here, guys? Again, go ahead.
Yeah, so the work in progress. So that's one thing, and it's my pet peeve. It's a little bit slow, so bear with it. It just takes a minute to load, especially the first couple times.
Yeah, we'll be working on that, though.
So we're going to speed that up real quick, but bear with it. Like Dave said, it's a work in progress. Didn't mean to cut you off, buddy.
No, not at all. So it looks like we have 7 courses in here, and we have actually the 3 Pillars of Wholesaling ebook that we give away for free. So the ebook is actually available, via the Kindle, Amazon App Store. You can actually get the hard copy on Amazon or the Audible version. However, you don't have to buy it. If you want the audio or you want the hard copy, then, by all means, go check it out on Amazon. But you can actually get a free copy of the 3 Pillars of Wholesaling ebook on discountpropertyinvestor.com.